2024, what an amazing year it has been. So much work has been done on exploration ground systems, space launch system, and the Orion spacecraft.
Earlier this year, it was really cool to work with the Navy and the exploration ground systems team to perform underway recovery test 11. That was a massive success, and it was great to be out there at sea with that whole team.
And I'm thinking about how by the end of the year, we are going vertical in this very building. Right behind me is a segment of our boosters. The last time we saw it, it was on a train in Utah. It went through this amazing country that put it together, and here it is, ready to become a moon rocket.
What a place to be standing on the planet. We got the boosters behind us. We just walked over from where the core stage is sitting that we will fly to space on. And this morning we looked at the Orion capsule. It's out of the vacuum chamber. And all of it's going to come together right here, and then we'll head to the moon.
2024 was amazing, and we can't wait to see everything coming together in 2025. Assembly is going on across this center and across the Artemis program. We can't wait. Happy holidays. Happy New Year. Cut!
Please put that cut in.